Hello everyone, Fade Salvation fading in, and today we are going to be talking about the Asuka Langley statue from Good Smile Company, based on the rebuild Evangelion series. It's a pretty interesting looking statue, so why don't we go ahead and fade right into the video. Hello everyone, and we're fading back in to talk about the Asuka Langley statue from Good Smile Company. All in all, the figure looks fantastic. I love the face on it. It looks really good. As well as the hair color. The shine on the plug suit's really nice too. And just overall, to me, this figure looks really nice, and especially Asuka Langley is one of my waifus. So, why don't we go ahead and read a little bit of the description on the figure, or statue, shall we? I think I had a crush on you back then, but I've grown into adult ahead of you. From the popular rebuild of Evangelion anime movie series comes a 1/7 scale figure of Asuka Langley in her plug suit. The figure is based on Asuka's grown-up appearance in the later half of the movie. The bright yet somewhat melancholy look in her eyes, the bare skin revealed through gaps in her plug suit, and the torn plug suit itself have all been faithfully recreated in the figure form with skillful modeling and highly precise graded paintwork, perfectly capturing the aura of the matured Asuka. Be sure to add her to your collection. Overall, like I said, I love the figure. Let's see. Product Asuka Langley, series rebuild of Evangelion, Good Smile Company manufacturer. Category 1/7 scale. Price is 26,800 yen, which when I checked that out is 169.99. Release date. This one kind of varies. On the international, it's January 2024, and then on the US, it is March 2024. So, choose that if you want to pre-order this figure, like a certain month or whatever. You know, whenever it would be easier for you, either the beginning of the new year or towards like the middle of the year. Well, not the middle, I guess quarter two, whatever you would want to call that. But let's see, specifications: painted plastic 1/7 scale, complete product with stand included, approximately 230 millimeters in height, which was, I think, 9.05 inches if I remember right. I'll be sure to add a link in the description below for the international and the US and this website, so that way you guys can check out whatever way you want to pre-order it. And yeah, why don't we go ahead. Oh, hold on. Sculptor Ken Sakai, paintwork Ken, cooperation GSC production department, and director Masuka. So, why don't we go ahead and fade into final thoughts, shall we? Final thoughts on the figure. The figure looks amazing. I love the line work as well as the color work as well as the shine on the plug suit. It looks really nice and lifelike. And yeah, I love Asuka Langley is one of my favorite waifus of all time, considering how long ago I watched the original Evangelion series. Although, at that time I was watching the English dub version, so. But overall, I'm looking forward to this figure. Put in the comments below on what your favorite waifu is from an anime series or whatever. Either that or just put other certain emojis if you don't want to talk about that. And put a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are enjoying the video. I will talk to you guys later. and this is Fade Salvation, fading out. Tune in for bloopers. Hello everyone, Fade Salvation fading in, and today we are going to couldn't say it. Dang it! Hello everyone, Fade Salvation fading in, and today we are going to be talking about the Asuka Langley figure, not, well, it is a figure, but statue. Hello everyone, Fade Salvation fading in, and today we are going to be talking about the Asuka Langley figure from Good Smile Company. Dang it, I messed it up again. Statue. Done. It looks like really reflective. Curves are in the right spot. Spots. Dang it. And her plug suit. The figure is based on Asuka's grown-up appearance from the later half of the film. The bright yet somewhat milky looking. I think I missed that. Hold on. Date is 2024. Hold on, so that way you guys can check it out over there too. Oh wait, dang it! Final thoughts on the figure. The figure looks amazing. I love the line work as well as the color work as well as the shine on the plug suit. It looks really nice and lifelike. And yeah, I love Asuka Langley is one of my favorite waifus of all time, considering how long ago I watched the original Evangelion series. Although, at that time I was watching the English dubbed version. But overall, I'm looking forward to this figure. Put in the comments below on what your favorite waifu is from an anime series or whatever, either that or just put other certain emojis if you don't want to talk about that. And put a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are enjoying the video. I will talk to you guys later. This is Fade Salvation, fading out. Tune in for movies. I missed that.